Okay, in this video we're going to be demonstrating the new Allergen Manager. This application has been developed to assist companies who are trying to comply with the new food regulations that are coming into effect on the 13th of December 2014 for the highlighting of allergens. These regulations are called the Food Information Regulations EU 1169/2011. So I'm going to demonstrate how this application can help you comply. In this video I'm going to be using a program called NLabel to demonstrate the application. This application can work with many labeling packages including Label Direct, NLabel, and any labeling package that can support true rich text formatting, for example bartender, nice label, label view, code soft, etc. So I'm going to be using NLabel. So as you can see, I've got an example NLabel label on my screen. So if I go to the print preview now, this is a label designed and linked to an Access database containing 6 products. These 6 products contain various ingredients, and some of those ingredients are allergens which, according to the new regulations, should be highlighted. For example, the word wheat on product 1. So as you can see clearly, none of my products have any allergens highlighted. So I'm going to go back to the label design. Now I'm going to switch to the Allergen Manager. So this is the Allergen Manager program. From this program you have allergens you can manage and edit by using the allergen editor on the top right hand corner. So if I click the allergen editor, you get to see a list of allergens that come preloaded with the application. Each allergen can include a plural, in other words oat and oats. So it will look through your ingredients and look for all occurrences of the word oat and oats. You can add and edit these at will. Responsibility of keeping this database up to date lies with the user. Okay, so I'm going to close that. I'm going to now go through the process of highlighting my allergens on that label design. So I'm using NLabel. I'm going to click next. I now need to tell the Allergen Manager which database to look at and monitor and highlight the allergens. So the label design is linked to this MDB file, this Access database. The Allergen Manager can use Access databases and it can use Excel sheets. When using an Excel sheet, it will always use sheet 1 as its reference. When using an Access database, it will ask you which table and then which field. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's load the Access database. The table is called an allergen example, and the field I want to look for the allergens in is the ingredients field. I now get to choose how I want to highlight my allergens. So in this instance I want it to be bold, I want it to be underlined and italic. If I've had a color printer, I can also highlight the wording in a different color. In this instance I'm going to keep it black for now, but just to demonstrate, as you can see there, so I'm going to keep mine black. So I'm going to click the highlight allergens button. It's going to ask me if I'm sure I want to do this. Please bear in mind what this application is going to do is it's going to go through your database fields and update and format them to highlight the allergens. So just in case any mistakes are made or spelling mistakes or formatting irregularities occur, a backup of your database is created prior to this process. So I'm going to say yes, I want to perform this task. It then tells me how many records it's updated. So I can now go back to my label design program and go to the print preview now, and now you can see instantly the allergen is now highlighted according to the format I specified. And this will be the same for all the products. There you go. So any occurrence of peanut and peanuts, there's an example of a plural allergen. So I hope this is of interest. I hope this helps you comply with the latest regulations, and I hope to speak to you soon. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.